A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is shattering the comfort zone. Ladies and gentlemen, comfort is not weakness. It is stability in its resting form. It protects rhythm, preserves continuity, and steadies life while it gathers strength. Yet creation in the cosmos, in nature, and in human consciousness never arises from permanence alone. All evolution begins when a system accumulates sufficient energy to move beyond its familiar boundary. This is not disruption, it is elevation. And what enables such ascent is not force, but communion, a living alignment between the human system and the deeper intelligence that animates existence. Across the universe, creation obeys a quiet and elegant law. Transformation occurs only when energy crosses a threshold. Stars ignite when inward pressure overcomes stillness. Seeds break open when inner momentum exceeds the shell. Rivers shape landscapes not through struggle but through sustained coherence and direction. Human growth follows the same principle, not through urgency but through readiness. Within every human being operate 5 internal energy dynamos: physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and aspirational. The physical supplies vitality and endurance. The mental offers clarity and discernment. The emotional brings depth, sensitivity, and connection. The aspirational provides direction, the subtle pull toward what lies beyond the visible horizon. Above all, the spiritual harmonizes the rest, transforming effort into meaning and persistence into inner strength. When these dynamos are cultivated and aligned, energy begins to organize instead of dissipate. Modern science affirms this convergence. Coherence across body, mind, and emotion stabilizes attention, expands resilience, and activates latent ability. The human system becomes capable of sustained, purposeful motion. Yet there is a deeper truth. No system rises far on internal energy alone. This is where communion becomes transformative. Communion is not belief nor dependence. It is alignment. It is the steady trust that life is guided by an intelligence larger than personal effort, one that responds when intention is sincere, preparation is complete, and prayer opens the channel for guidance and grace to enter. Across civilizations, this alignment has been recognized as grace, cosmic order, or divine guidance. Practically, it quiets fear, stabilizes uncertainty, and releases energy beyond individual reserves. When internal readiness meets communion, a critical threshold is crossed. The mind matures into wisdom, the heart into compassion, and the will into quiet courage. Power arises not as a force but as clarity in motion. The comfort zone dissolves naturally like a shell releasing life that is ready to rise. What follows is not chaos but orchestration. Preparation aligns with practice, intention with action, effort with guidance. Self-mastery unfolds gently and steadily. A new inner sun begins to shine, refining thought, elevating action, and orienting life toward purposeful growth. What emerges is a rediscovered self, radiant, grounded, empowered, and aligned with the cosmic rhythm. What's the way forward? Transformation does not require haste. It requires coherence. Strengthen the five dynamos through balanced living. Nurture communion through stillness, reverence, service, or silent alignment with higher intent. Let growth be measured not by speed or spectacle, but by inner stability, clarity, and compassion. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the shattering of the comfort zone is not a rebellion against life, but a response to its deeper invitation. When preparation within meets communion beyond, effort multiplies into grace, fear softens into trust, and ascent becomes natural. In the words of Lord Krishna, revealing the timeless power of communion in the revered Bhagavad Gita, to those who are steadfast who commune with me and remain devoted, I grant the wisdom by which they transcend all limitations and rise. In that wisdom, energy awakens, boundaries dissolve, and the human spirit begins its courageous ascent, gently shattering the comfort zone and rising from mere existence into higher orbits of consciousness, guided, protected, and empowered by the cosmic intelligence. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.